Microsoft Excel is organized by columns and rows. The columns are labeled with letters. The rows are labeled with numbers. And each of these boxes that you see on the screen is really a variable. Okay. Now, each box has a name, and the name of the box, which we call a cell, is it depends on the column and row the cell or the box is in. For example, right now you can see a box with a black frame. That box, the name of that box is A5 because it's in column A, row 5. If I move my cursor somewhere else in Excel, like I did now, you see this box with a black frame. The name of that box or cell is M7 because it's in column M, row 7. And you can see the name of the box up here on the top left corner, right underneath the word clipboard. You're going to see the name of the box. Watch the label. See, it says name box and it's called M7. Okay. Now, like I said, each of these boxes in Excel is a variable, and a variable is an input box. It's just waiting for the user to put something in. So once something is put in, then you can do manipulate any way you want it. Okay, and that's one of the advantages of using Excel. We can use Excel to make computations of data. Okay, so let's say for example on A1 I type the number 5. On B1, I type the number 10. And let's see, on A2, I type the number 4. And on B2, I will type the number, let's say, 1. Now, that's the data, that's the information. Now I can do computations with that information. All right. Let's say that on let me see, on A7, okay, I want to put the answer of what is 5 times 4. Okay, now to do that, to show the computation, I need to type in formulas, and to type formulas in Excel we start with, or we input the equal symbol first. Okay, the equal sign, and automatically Excel knows that a formula will be follow up now. Now, when we type in formulas, we're using algebraic expressions and equations. Okay, and so what Excel is waiting for you is to type in the variables, and the variables in our case will be the boxes. So I want to type, or I want to multiply, I should have said, 5 times 4. Now I already have 5 in my screen, okay, in Excel, and 5 is located in A1. So I'm going to select A1, and you can see when I selected A1, you can see like a dotted line around the cell A1, and right after the equal sign in the cell A7, you're going to see it says A1. Now what I want to do with that 5 that is in A1, well, I want to multiply, so I press the star, okay. I want to multiply by 4. And where is 4 located? Well, 4 is located in A2. So I'm going to select the cell that contains 4, which is A2. And you can see in Excel that on A7, in A7, you can see that it says equal A1 times A2, which means that you are multiplying the content that is in box A1 times the content that is in A2. And when I hit enter, you can see it gave me the answer 20. Say I want to, I'm going to put it here on F7. Okay, I'm going to type another formula. Let me press equal, because every time I want to type a formula, all right, I need to press the equal sign. Now let's say I want to multiply 10 times 4 and subtract 1. See, so I want to multiply the 10 that is in B1, I want to multiply by 4, which is in A2, and whatever answer I get, I want to subtract 1, which is on B2. So this is how you do it. First, I want to select 10, and 10 is located on B1. So I select it. Then I'm going to multiply the 10 that is in B1 times 4, and 4 is located in A2. So I'm going to select that cell. Okay, and you can see clearly that it says B1 star A2, which means that I'm multiplying whatever is in the box B1, which is the 10, times whatever is in the box in A2, which is the 4. Now, after I multiply, I want to subtract. So I'm going to put minus. And what I'm going to subtract? I want to subtract the 1 that is on B2. So I'm going to select B2 box. Okay. And that is what I'm telling Excel is to take the 10, multiply by the 4, and subtract 1. And once you do that, you hit enter. And you can see the answer is 39. Let's confirm that. 10 times 4 is 40. Take away 1, that will be 39. And that's how you input formulas in Excel. Okay, I hope this helps.